Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Comprehensive Book, Chapter 1 Number and Numeration. Question number 29. Choose the invalid Roman numeral from the following. Invalid. So L triple X V I. L means 50 plus 30 plus 6. So A option is your 86. B triple C 300. L triple X 380 and IX 9. It is also not invalid. It is valid. Option C. CDII. CD means 400. II 2. 402. Option D. L triple X. So L triple X 80 and plus IIV. There is nothing number like IIV in Roman numeral because I can be subtracted from VX but only one time. We cannot subtract I two times. Okay, so that's why option D is the wrong option. 29th answer D. Question number 30. Using the letters 0, 1, 5, make the greatest three-digit number without repeating the digits and write it in Roman numeral. So first we have to make the greatest three-digit number. So for writing the greatest three-digit number, we will arrange the digits in the descending order. So 510. This is the greatest three-digit number using these digits. And how can we write it in Roman numeral? So for 500, we will write D and 10x. So dx should be the answer. That is your option B. So 30 answer, option B. Question number 31. Write the Roman numeral for the number which is 453 more than the three-digit smallest number. What is three-digit smallest number? That is your 100. 100 is the three-digit smallest number. And you have to make 453 more than this. It means there should be addition. That is your 553. And how can we write 553? So 500, that should be D. 50 should be L and 3 should be I. So D, L, I. Option A. 31st answer is option A. 32nd question. Where should we place C in the numeral LXXIV such that numeral represents 174? We have to make 174. First check what is this number. So LXX, it is 70, IV plus 4. So 74 it is written. We have to make it 174. So C should be in the left side of L so that it can be your 174. So left side of L, that is your option C. 32nd answer will be option C. 33rd. Which one of the following Roman numeral is used for 500? So D stands for 500. 33 answer is D. 34. If a bar is placed over a Roman numeral, by how much the value of the numeral will increase? So like this is a Roman numeral, and if we put a bar on it, so it will increase by 1000 times. It will increase by 1000 times, you can say its meaning is 5000. Answer should be C. 34th answer is C. Come to 35th. P is a natural number which is equal to the difference between three-digit greatest and smallest number. Write the Roman numeral for P. So what is P? It is the difference between three-digit greatest number, that is your 999, and three-digit smallest number. Subtract it. It will be your 998. 899. Write the Roman numeral for P. So how can we write 800? 800 means 500 plus 300. So D, C, C, C. 90, how can we write? 100 minus 10. X, C. 9 can be written 10 minus 1. I, X. Where it is? D, triple C, X, C, I, X. Option A. 35th answer is option A. 36. A equal to 654, B equal to 234, C equal to this. Write the Roman numeral for 2A plus B minus C. So first we will find A plus B. A plus B. That is your 654, 234. 4 plus 4, 8, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 2, 8. A plus B. Now multiply by 2. It should be multiply by 2. 2A plus B means 2 multiply by A plus B. 8, 8, 8 multiply by 2. 8 2s are 16, carry 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17. 1776 minus C. So minus C means 1776 and C equal to 246. 246. Subtract it. 6 minus 6 is 0. 7 minus 4 3. 7 minus 2 5 and 1. 1530. We have to write it as the Roman numeral. So 1 M stands for 1000, D stands for 500 and 30 for triple X. M D triple X, where it is? It is in the option number D. So 36th answer, option D. Question number 11. Which one of the following symbols should be added to the Roman numeral MXC such that it represents 1100? I think there is some typo error in this question. This should be removed. Removed. It should not be added. Removed. Okay. Which should be removed? Because M stands for 1000 and C stands for 100. So for 1100, it should be MC. So if we remove X from here, then it represents 1100. So that's why answer should be B. And here there is typo. It should be removed. The 37th answer is B. 38. Which one of the following Roman numeral represent the Hindu-Arabic numeral which is 246 more than the sum of this and this? So first find the sum of 549 and 400. So it is your 949. Now 246 more. So again we have to add 246. 9 plus 6 15, carry 1, 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. So which one of the following Roman numeral? Now we have to write 1195. So M stands for 1000. For 100 we will write C. For 90 we will write XC. And for 5 we will write V. So MCXCV, where it is? It is in the option C. The 38th answer is C. 38 C. Question number 39. Which one of the following Roman numeral is not valid? So M, L, X, X, I. M stands for 1000. I am writing the value of A. M stands for 1000. L, X, X stands for 70 and I stands for 2. So it will be 1072. Okay? Now option B. M stands for 1000. C stands for 100. X stands for triple X stands for 30 and IV stands for 4. So 1, 1, 3, 4. Okay. C option is your M stands for 100, sorry, 1000, and C stands for 100, and then XC stands for 90, VI stands for 6. This is your 1196. It is also valid. Option D, MC. So M stands for 1000, okay. C stands for 1000, 100, and LC. L cannot be subtracted from C, or L cannot be subtracted from any number. So D is the invalid one. That's why 39th option is D. Question number 40. Match the following. This is MXCVI. M stands for 1000. I'm writing here. M stands for 1000. CXC stands for 90. And VI stands for 6. So 1096. A answer is option number B. Sorry, 2. Okay, now MC. B. MC stands for 1000, then 1100. 1100 plus LVII means 58. So 1158. 1158 option. Okay. So it is your option number IB. Okay. Now C option. MCCXX. M stands for 1000, CC stands for 200, and then 20. So 1220. 1220 is in the option 1. It will be I, and D is MCC means 1200 plus L triple X 80 plus 2. So 1282, that is in option B, 5. Now MCC 1300, LX 40, and 4. So 1344, this is option 4. Okay? So A should be 2, B should be 4, and C should be I, D should be V. No. 2, 4, I, V, 3. B is the correct answer. So 40 answer will be option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.